Mastering everyday English. Turn down the volume. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we help you navigate the nuances of the English language with ease. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase that you might hear in daily conversations: turn down the volume. Understanding this phrase will not only help you in practical situations but also enrich your vocabulary for more effective communication. So, let's get started. When someone says, turn down the volume, they are asking you to reduce the loudness of the sound coming from an electronic device, like a TV, radio, or mobile phone. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal settings. It's a polite way to ask someone to lower the sound level, perhaps because it's too loud, causing a disturbance, or because a quieter environment is needed. Let's break down the phrase, turn down the volume, to understand it better. Turn down. This is a phrasal verb that means to reduce or decrease something in intensity or amount. In this context, it refers to lowering the sound. The volume. This part of the phrase refers to the level of sound produced by a device. Volume can be adjusted to be louder or softer. Understanding each component of the phrase helps in grasping the full meaning and how it can be applied in different scenarios. This phrase can be used in various situations. Here are a few examples. At home, when the TV is too loud and you're trying to concentrate on work. In the office, if someone's music is disturbing others. In public places, like on a bus or train, when someone's phone volume is high and causing discomfort to fellow passengers. It's a handy phrase for requesting a more pleasant auditory environment without being too direct or rude. If you're looking for different ways to express the same idea, here are some alternatives. Could you lower the volume, please? Would you mind turning the sound down? Can we keep the volume a bit lower? These alternatives convey the same request but offer variety in how you can phrase your request politely and effectively. Understanding and using the phrase, turn down the volume, is a great step towards communicating more clearly and politely in English. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable in situations where you need to ask someone to lower the sound. Remember, practicing these phrases will make them a natural part of your vocabulary in no time. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and don't forget to turn down the volume when needed to keep those around you comfortable.